Cleaning your Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill after every use is just as easy as cooking in it. Before cleaning, be sure to unplug the unit. Keep the hood open after removing your food to allow for the unit to cool quicker. First, let's start off by cleaning the splatter shield. Be sure the splatter shield has completely cooled before removing for cleaning. Use your thumb to release the front clip by pushing the tab upward. The cooking pot, grill grate, and crisper basket are all ceramic coated and non-stick for quick and easy cleanup. The cooking pot, grill grate, crisper basket, and splatter shield are also all dishwasher safe. For best results, it's recommended to rinse these items with warm water before placing them in the dishwasher. If food residue is stuck on the cooking pot, grill grate, crisper basket, splatter shield, or any additional Foodi grill accessories, soak them in warm, soapy water before washing. For best results, clean the splatter shield after every use. Soaking the splatter shield overnight will help soften the baked-on grease. After soaking, use the cleaning brush to remove the grease from the frame and front tabs of the shield. For deep cleaning, put the splatter shield in a pot of water and boil for 10 minutes. Then, allow for it to air dry. If scrubbing is necessary, use the Ninja Foodi Grill cleaning brush that is included with your unit. Use the opposite end of the cleaning brush as a scraper to assist with releasing baked-on sauces or cheese. To clean the main unit and control panel, wipe them clean with a damp cloth. Don't forget to clean your Foodi Smart Thermometer after every use too. Simply soak the stainless steel tip and silicone grip in warm, soapy water after cooking. Air dry or towel dry all parts after washing. Do not place the thermometer in the dishwasher. In order to preserve its longevity, it's important that you do not immerse the cord or jack in water or any other liquid. Now your grill is squeaky clean and ready to cook your next meal. Check out ninjakitchen.com or the Ninja Foodi Family Facebook community for delicious recipe ideas and more.